Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate new credit card with US Bank, card setup guide step by step clearly. To activate your new US Bank credit card, start by locating the activation sticker on the front of the card. This sticker usually contains a phone number or a website link. If you choose to activate your card by phone, call the number provided on the sticker. When connected, listen carefully to the automated prompts. Select the option for card activation. You will be asked to enter your card number. After entering your card number, you may also need to provide some personal information, such as your social security number or date of birth. Follow the prompts as instructed. If you prefer to activate your card online, open your web browser and visit the US Bank website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. If you do not have an online account yet, you will need to create one. Once logged in, look for the option to activate your new credit card. Enter your card details as required. Complete any additional verification steps. After activation, your card will be ready to use within minutes. Remember to sign the back of your card for security. Review the terms and conditions associated with your new credit card. Finally, store your card in a safe place until you are ready to use it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.